Hi, this is a set of videos to show you how to make a little program that could be used in a cafe. If I click on the cup of coffee, it asks me how many coffees would I like. I'm going to type in 3, and in the program I've said that coffees are £2.10 each, so it shows me that 3 coffees will cost £6.30, and I can do that again. Let's say I do 8 coffees and it tells me that they'll be £16.80. So I'm just going to start from the beginning. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Live Code and I'm going to go File, New Main Stack, and I can close this just so that I can see what I'm doing a bit better. So this is going to be my user interface, and the first thing I need to bring on is a button and a field. I'll just make the field a little bit bigger. And before I do anything else, I'm going to save this. So I'll go File, Save As, and then I'm going to root through to a programming folder. And it's good to keep all your programs together in one folder. So I'll go Programming, and that's the one we were looking at before. So I'm going to make a new folder, and I'm going to call this Bob's Cafe. And inside this folder is where I'm going to collect all the assets that I'll need, like the pictures and so on, the images. I'm going to call it Bob's Cafe. So I'll press Save. And the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just change the name of the stack. So I'm going to go onto the Stack Inspector, and I'm going to call that Bob's Cafe as well, just to keep things all together. So we've got Bob's Cafe there, and I've saved this as a file called Bob's Cafe. And the way Live Code works is that you have, this would be called a card, and I can make a new card and say another new card, and before you know it, you've got several cards. And if I go back to the first card, what I actually have created is a stack of cards. Right now I'm just going to work on this first card, so if you want to pause the video and set up the program and save it as Bob's Cafe or whatever we'd like to call it.